First, confirm you have a Chevy Traverse model from 2018 to 2024. The key fob will have buttons for lock, unlock, remote start, and possibly a panic button. You'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and optionally gloves. Protect the key fob surface from scratches by using a plastic prying tool rather than a metal screwdriver. Locate the small notch or button on the side or back of your key fob. Use a screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the fob housing. Don't force it. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, positive side. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob housing back together securely. Test the buttons. If the fob doesn't work, consult your Chevy Traverse owner's manual or the My Chevrolet app for instructions on how to reprogram the key fob.